Hi, Tommy and everyone with Wired Electrical Services. This is Rachel. Thanks for clicking on this video. So I'm just going to briefly go over a couple of things I found with your guys' website that you could easily get updated. It's going to start bringing in more business for you via Google and getting the internet working better for you guys. So let's get started. I've got your website up here. I really like your logo right up here at the top, that contact number, a call to action right here. As we scroll down, we could definitely add some different fun links to your services right here too, and I'll give you an example here in a second. As we scroll further down, we've got a little bit more information for you guys here, a little bit about the company, and some more here about the company, which is good. I do like these down here, different ways for your clients to connect with you. That's great. You could also add down here in the footer your contact information again, your location, your hours, your phone number, your email address, that kind of stuff, just right down here in the footer for your clients to see. And so let me pop over here. This is Mr. Sparky. He's one of the top competitors in the Houston area. And so as we can see, logos up here at the top, contact number, call to action right here, all of that's great. They've got their testimonials and reviews on their homepage. That's definitely something you guys could get added because I noticed you had some good reviews on your GBP profile there. So get those added. But here, as you can see, they've got a little bit more about the services that they offer. So their clients can click onto this and view more detailed. It'll link them to that services page and give them even more information. Now, what Google really cares about on this homepage is the content. And they want you sitting at about a 1,500 to 2,000 word mark of quality content on this homepage. And that can be affected too by the competitors in your area and how much content they have on their homepage. So keep that in mind as well. But within this quality content, they want to see those buyer intent keywords sprinkled throughout it, because when clients are searching things in Google, if you have what matches that search, Google's crawlers are going to read that and it's going to help you rank for it. And so one of those keywords can be Electrician Houston. As we can see, that's not found on your page. I think you guys have Electricians Houston. Houston Electricians, here it is. So that is one of those keywords, but you might want to double check and see which one has more search volume per month, and you can also add more than one. And so people are going to type these in different ways. There's going to be Electricians Houston, Electrician Houston, Houston Electrician, different things. Get those keywords sprinkled in throughout that content, because you can put quite a few keywords on that homepage with the content. Now, the next thing that we're going to hit on here really quickly is just your backlinks. And so backlinks are just a shout out from another website. You are probably familiar with them at this point, considering you've got so many already. But really quick, we're going to look at this UR and DR rating. So our UR rating is our trust rating. Our DR rating is our power rating. We want these numbers to be as close as possible, and we want them to be a lot higher. These numbers are influenced by our backlinks. And so this rating is just letting us know that some of our backlinks might not be as trustworthy or relevant or powerful as we need them to be, because not all backlinks are created equal. So when we look into Mr. Sparky's here, let's see. So they have less backlinks than you. Their trust rating and their power rating is a little bit higher, but again, the ratio is a little bit off. So I would kind of research these backlinks, maybe find ones that are really powerful for them and relevant for you guys, and get yourself added to those exact same ones, because if they're helping them rank as high as they are, they can help you rank as well. And then, of course, you can come into their organic keywords, because you guys have about 205. They've got over 1,000 here. And whatever you're missing, you can get those same ones added to your website as well. So the content, the keywords, and the backlinks are going to help you guys rank organically. And when I say organically, that means right down here. You want to be in this first, second, or third position. When I searched for you guys in the organics, I didn't see you. I think I went back to like the third page and you weren't there. Generally, most people aren't going to leave the first page. And if they do, they're most likely not going to leave that second page. So it's pretty important to get yourselves ranked up here. And then the last thing that we're going to hit on here is this area right here called the local map pack or Google My Business. So how we get here is, of course, by having our profile, and we want to have it filled out all the way. You guys are missing your website on this, so you want to make sure you get that added. And then it looks like you've got your phone number, your address, your hours, all that stuff, which is great. You've got reviews, you've got a question. If you can get more questions asked and answered on there, that's wonderful too. And then this area, you can have 700 words of content, and you can put keywords in there too. So get those buyer intent keywords added as well. And then, of course, having those pictures on there, making sure that they're geotagged properly. You can save them as buyer intent keywords before you upload them. That helps as well too. And then the last part is to make sure that you've got your citation in as many places as possible. So a citation is just your business's name, address, and phone number listed in a directory, and the directories just include things like Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Home Advisor, things like that. So what I would do if I was in your shoes, I would find all the directories that my top competitors are listed in, get myself added to those exact same ones, and then I would go above and beyond that. If they're on 150, get yourself added into 200, 250, 300, really blow them out of the water. So that's going to have you guys ranked up here organically, where most of the traffic is from Google, and then it's going to have you guys ranked down here in this organic section as well. And that's going to let your clients know that you guys are trustworthy and relevant. All right, so just a quick review. We want to up the content on this homepage, maybe rework our website layout a little bit, add in more of those buyer intent keywords on this homepage. We want to kind of review our backlinks. Maybe we've got quite a few backlinks in here that we don't necessarily need because they're not helping us the way that we want them to. So explore that a little bit. Refresh those organic keywords, get yourself ranking organically, and then get your citation out there in as many places as you guys can. So that's all I've got for you. I hope this was helpful. I look forward to your feedback. Thank you.